Hi, this is how we fit the V2 traction wheel change to your car. Firstly, we open up the chains to make sure there's no tangles. Then we lay it across the ground, sliding around the back of the wheel. Then on the left hand side of the wheel, we slide the chain out, making sure that there is no tangle. As we can see, it's all nice and even. We do the same to the other side, laying it out, making sure that there is no tangles in the chain. The next step is we get the inner hoop, and that cable clips together. As such, we leave that at the top of the tyre. Then we connect the blue hook to the loose chain link. Once that is connected, then we slide the hoop to the back of the wheel. We get the fine chain link, do up the ratchet as we're doing now. We feed through the two links, the two plastic hooks, and we connect the rubberized hook to the top of the chain. Then we roll the car forward around 1 or 2 wheel revolutions, undo the rubberized hook, give it a retension, hook it back up, and that's it, we're done. To remove is pretty much the opposite of putting it on. The most important part is the blue hook, as we're pointing to now, must be at the top of the tyre. From there we undo the hook, remove the chain from the plastic clips, undo the spring-loaded ratchet, undo the chain link from the top hook. Then once we've done that, we pull the chain towards us. Then we undo the main cable. Then we make sure we slide all the plastic connectors away, so we don't break them, and then we just simply drive off. That's it.